Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel helpers series. Today in this video we are going to discuss about array collapse and array cross join. So we are going to implement this into our project. In the previous videos we learned that how arrays accessible works and how array add works. So now in this video we are going to discuss about how array collapse work, right? So first let's create an array. So I'm going to copy this simple array because this is a simple array which contained one attribute and this is contained the second, right? So how you can collapse multiple arrays into one, right? So this is first array, this is the second, this is the third, right? So here I'm going to create another array. So let's copy it again. So here I'm going to name this 2 and this one would be 1, right? So I'm going to make this C and this would be a D, 3 and 4, right? So first array contain A1, B2 and second contain C3, D4, right? So now I want to combine these two arrays. So how I can combine them? So there is a method of I'm going to save this into the output because I want to print this output, right? So here you need to call array facade and then you need to call the collapse method here, right? Collapse, and this collapse accept the arrays. So first here I need to pass the first array, or you can also pass the second array or then first array. So it's not no, I'm not free, I'm shooting the videos. So here array, second array, right? So now it will collapse these two arrays. So here I'm going to output these arrays. Save this one. So now it will output, oops, I forgot the T here. So now it will return this A1, B2, C3 and D4 into one array. So it's going to merge them into one array. Refresh it here and it's returning an empty array, right? And here you need to pass this main array, which array you want to add them, we want to collapse them. So you need to cut them out and pass this into the array. So first key would be the first array and then second key would be the second array, right? So now it's going to collapse them. And yes, A1, B2, C3, D4 in one array, right? So it means that we successfully combine these arrays. So you can also combine multiple ones. So you can also combine the 3 ones, right? Fourth one, fifth one and stuff like that. And now customize that how we can do with the index array. So it's pretty same. So let's go here, just remove these keys and this will become an index array, right? So here I have removed these keys. So now let's get refreshed. So it's going to return 0, 1, 0, 2 and stuff like that. Let's take eye on this 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So it means that we have successfully combined those two arrays, right? So now the time is to work on the another helper. So what's the next one? It's cross join. So cross join basically in the first array we contain the keys and second one contain the not keys, first array and second array. So we want to combine the first index of first array and with the second index of the first array, right? So like this one, we want to relate this one with 1a, 2 with 2b, right? So let's go here and implement this scenario. So here in this case we have we need to create the first let me comment this out for your reference here. Okay, so here I'm going to instantly create these two arrays. So first contain the only index. I'm going to contain an index array. So here this array would contain 1 and 2, then second would be array 2, name this 1. What the hell is this? Oops. Here I need to assign this A, oops, A and then B. Okay, and then I want to cross join, right? So here I need to save them into the output variable array, oops, cross join, and what I want to cross join, I want to cross join these two params. We need to pass this in the array form, or no, we don't need to pass them in the array form. So array 2, okay, and let's dd this output. Let me make this correct, and now let's go here and give it a refresh. So is it going to combine these two arrays or not? And yes, first array 0 1 1a, so it's mean that it's comparison 0 1. Let me go here and tell you that on the 0 index it stored this a, right, and then on the 1 index it's stored this a. No, it's not printing the exact output. So let's go here 1 2 ab 1 2 ab. Is this correct? Yes, it's correct. Why it's printing first a first b, second a second b? Is it containing the same? Let me close this out. Yes, it's containing the same. First a, okay, first b, second a second b. So it's also printing its index. So that's why I confused that what it's doing, right? So we successfully combine first array with the second. So we combine the first array first index with the second array first index, and then first index second index with the second array with the second index. So hope you like this video, and if you like this, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay connected for Laravel helper series. Bye bye.